When you search for the best lathe for pin turning, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy claims. But to truly understand what works best for your projects, you need to dig a little deeper. Product number 1. Vinwox 9PCS Carbide Tool Set. First up is the Vinwox 9PCS Carbide with Lathe Turning Tool Set, priced at $42.99. What caught my attention here is the variety of tools included, perfect for anyone diving into pin turning. If you want a reliable set to get started with, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These carbide turning tools are designed with ease of use in mind, making them ideal for wood turners of all skill levels. The rotatable cutter head means you won't have to worry about sharpening, just turn and go. Plus, with a strong rating of 4.5 stars from 189 reviews, a lot of people are satisfied with their purchase. Now, some people did complain about the weight of the tools, saying they felt a bit lightweight. Here's the thing, though, they're designed that way for better control, especially for finer details in pen making. If you prefer something a bit heavier, this might not be for you. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out in pin turning or want a comprehensive set without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for ultra heavy-duty tools. For the price, you're getting a lot of value here. Now, if the weight of the Vinwox tools bothered you, this next option takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Vinwox 4PCS Carbide Tool Set. Next is another option from Vinwox, the 13.5-inch 4PCS Carbide with Lathe Turning Tool Set at $49.99. This set includes titanium-coated carbide blades, which caught my eye. If you want tools that need less maintenance and still perform, this is definitely worth considering. The titanium coating means you won't be sharpening these tools as often, which is a huge time saver. The robust design supports heavy-duty rough turning, and with a solid rating of 4.4 stars from 239 reviews, it's clear this set has a loyal following. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The combination of durability and ease of use makes it perfect for both beginners and more experienced woodturners. A drawback some users reported is that the swan neck hollower can feel a bit fragile with extensive use. Now, it's true that more delicate tools might not last as long, but if you're using it for lighter projects like pin turning, it should hold up just fine. This is perfect for you if you want reliable tools that are easy to handle and maintain. Skip this one if you're planning on tackling heavy-duty projects regularly. For under $50, you get top-notch performance. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for mini tools. Product number 3, Savannah 3PC Mini Turning Tool Set. Now let's look at the Savannah 3PC Carbide Mini Turning Tool Set, priced at $75.09. This set is particularly eye-catching due to its focus on smaller projects and portability. If you need something compact for pin turning, this might just be your ideal choice. What stands out is that these tools eliminate the hassle of sharpening, thanks to their replaceable carbide tips. This means you can rotate the tips for a fresh cutting edge, which is perfect for clean, precise cuts that pin turning demands. With a solid 4.6-star rating from over 763 reviews, it's clear users appreciate the build quality and performance. However, some users mentioned that the size makes them less comfortable for larger hands. If you have larger hands, this could be a concern. But honestly, if you're focused on fine detail work like pin turning, the size can actually be an advantage. This is perfect for you if you're working on small to mid-sized projects and want tools that are easy to manage. Skip this one if you prefer something more heavy-duty or larger in size. You get great precision for your money here. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more powerful, the next product might catch your attention. Product number 4, Vever Mini Lathe Machine. Next is the Vever Mini Lathe Machine, priced at $49.90. This caught my eye because it's compact, yet powerful, perfect for DIY enthusiasts. If you want a lathe that can handle various projects without taking up too much space, this is worth considering. The Vever features a high-frequency motor that can reach up to 8,500 revolutions per minute, allowing for efficient cutting and planing. With 7 different speed settings, you can easily adjust for precision in your wood-turning projects. The solid build minimizes vibrations, which is essential for delicate work. It has a 4.0 star rating from 517 reviews, indicating that many users find it reliable. A downside is that some users reported that the assembly instructions were a bit unclear. Here's the thing though, once you get past that, it's a solid machine that gives you excellent control for pen turning and small projects. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast looking for a compact lathe that packs a punch. Skip this one if you want something that's ready to go right out of the box without any assembly. For the price, it's a good deal for what you're getting. Finally, if you're all about customizing your pens, you won't want to miss the last product on our list. Product number 5, Color 20 PCS Slimline Pen Kit. The last product on our list is the Color 20 PCS 7mm Slimline Pen Kit, priced at $38.99. This caught my attention because it comes with a variety of colors and is perfect for DIY enthusiasts. If you want to create unique, personalized pens, you definitely want to check this out. You get 20 sets of pen-turning tools in different colors, allowing for plenty of creative freedom in your projects. The materials used are reliable and solid, ensuring that your pens won't break easily during the turning process. With a good 4.5 star rating from 230 reviews, users appreciate the value and variety. However, some users noted that the kit doesn't come with a lathe or drill bit, which could be a hassle for beginners. But honestly, if you already have the basic tools, this is a fantastic option for expanding your pen-making capabilities. This is perfect for you if you enjoy DIY projects and want to personalize your pen creations. Skip this one if you're looking for a complete starter kit. For the price, you're getting a lot of options to explore. Now, let's wrap everything up with a quick comparison of these fantastic options. To sum it all up, we've looked at some great options today. The Vinwax 9 PCS set is fantastic for beginners, while the 4 PCS set is perfect for those wanting durability. If you're focused on precision, the Savannah Mini set is a great compact choice. The Vever Mini lathe offers power in a small package. And finally, the Color Pen Kit allows for creativity with lots of options. Choose based on your needs, and happy pen turning!